This is the unboxing video of the MiiA.bit robot. So the MiiA.bit comes in a box like this, and you'll see future-proofing through play. And this is just tells you a little bit about the robot or what to expect, but you'll see that to get started it points you straight to the website, as well as the iOS store and Play Store. If you want to download the app, it's called the MiiA.code programming app, and all the information is there. So we'll just open it up, and this is the greeting card. Congratulations on your MiiA.bit robot, begin your journey now. Go to this website, and yeah, so let's just take that out. It's a nice piece of foam for the top, and you'll see it comes in all your laser cut pieces over there. The control board, you'll see that there's a number over here, and that's very important for your Bluetooth, but we'll get into that a bit later. This is your battery, screws and bolts, your ultrasonic sensor. There's a few things in here. This is your Grove connector with your Grove to pin connector, Grove to Grove connector, motor 1, motor 2. There's also this servo motor, and then there's 2 wheels in there. This is everything that you need. So let me just close this box for now. We'll get to that a bit later. So what I like to do is just space everything out, so I know exactly what I'm dealing with. And this is over there. So you'll really just see that there's little packs of things, and we'll get to that a bit later.